Simple Cooking, Simple Cooking Channel.
Get a medium-sized saucepan, chuck in 125 grams of softened butter. Add a can of sweetened condensed milk, should be about 395 grams. Add 2 tablespoons of glucose syrup. And 1 cup of brown sugar. Have it on low, and we want to cook this stirring without boiling for about 10 minutes or until the mixture is glossy and the sugar has dissolved. Okay, as you can see, the sugar has dissolved. It's nice and glossy. That's what we want. Now turn the heat up to about a low medium and just bring this to a simmer. And we just want to cook and stir for about 5 minutes or so until the mixture thickens, and once it comes away from the pan, it's ready. Alright, it's almost there. As you can see, it's thickened. There you go, see it's coming away from the pan there. See I'm creating that, and if I go around the sides, it comes away. And then it'll go back. So that part's done. Just turn the heat off. Okay, once you've turned the heat off, just remove it from the heat, and then we want to add the rest of the ingredients. So you want 180 grams of dark chocolate. You either use some fruit mince or mixed fruit like sultanas, raisins, just those little mixed bags you get, just about anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of a cup. Get in about anywhere from 1/3 to 1/2 cup of dried cranberries, and just about 1/3 of a cup or so of cut up and crushed hazelnuts. So just mix this through until the chocolate has melted and the mixture has become one. Oh, this looks so good. This is about the most amazing fudge I think you'll ever try. Now get a baking dish, baking pan, grease it, put some baking paper on it so that you've got a bit of an overhang. Pour the mixture in. Now just even it out, just spread it out so it's fairly evenly. Whoa. So awesome. Now once you've done this, just pop this in the fridge until it's set. Could take 6 hours. It's always good to just put it in overnight, and it'll definitely be set then, and then eat and see if it can last for more than 4 seconds. Alright, that is ready. Now this ended up only actually taking 2 hours. I forgot last time I made it, my fridge wasn't as cold. But my fridge is set to 2 degrees now, so it only took 2 hours. So if your fridge is set to about 2 degrees, this will be set within a couple of hours. Oh, Christmas fudge.